I've got so many people contacting me the last few days, concerned that I don't have all 3 million of my valuable contacts on my phone on backup. I just want to give you guys a rest assured. We all know iPhones aren't reliable. So my 3 million valuable contacts are not on my iPhone. They are on my very special Nokia, which I keep in my handbag. So all my contacts are safe and sound on here. You see, there's the phone book. So I keep them on here, then I know they are safe. So when you guys need someone to do something for you, need help, just send me a message, and I'll get the number for you on my special cell phone.
Pannenkoek en cinnamon, maak het sinnin. Ek vat jou vriendinnen in 'n jacuzzi, noem maar sommer Lucy.